Okay, I'm experimenting with some different kinds of wool. And now I've got some rather dirty. No, it's not dirty, it's just full of all kinds of grass and seeds and things like that. And this is what it looks like. It's full of stuff, and I've been washing it and with cold water. You see there. I've been washing it with cold water outside, and now I'm thinking whether I can use it to anything or not, because it's just too dirty. You can't get this this kind of stuff out in any bearable way. It's just too much. You see, I've tried my best. Oof. Then there's another lot, almost the same, but not quite. I don't know. Maybe I will try to wash it another time. But now I need to get them dry, and I have a look again whether it's possible to use them or not. I can always use them as insulating material or something felted for something like that. Yes, where they are not used by human beings or animals or anything like that. But I have to see. It will require some more processing. But that's how it is with these things when you study and explore. Yeah.